When I come back home, I feel like I want to eat something, but it's always late time. I know it's not good for my body, but I want to eat something crunchy. I thought this would be really healthy and this is gonna make me feel happy, even if it's late time, instead of rice cracker. For the ingredients, you can use any kind of vegetables you like. This time, I'm using celery, bell pepper, cucumbers, carrot, yuzu, and daikon radish. The condiments are honey, light soy sauce, chili peppers, bay leaf, and apple vinegar. You just cut the vegetables and soak it into the vinegar and leave it in the fridge. That's all. It's just so easy and just so yummy. That's what I really like about. So this would be the overnight ones. It looks already yummy. I would try it out. It's just so perfect. I would enjoy it every night. So, if you like crunchy snacky, this would be the best recommendation. So please try it out. Thank you for watching. See you.